Today we're going to be showing you how to make a really easy garlic and rosemary focaccia bread. So you'll need 120 milliliters of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, chopped or minced, one tablespoon of rosemary, this can be fresh or dried, and then add your olive oil to a pan with the garlic and rosemary and just fry on a medium heat until nicely infused. You can add some pepper at this point as well. So in a large bowl, add 230 milliliters of warm water and your 2 1/4 teaspoons of dried active yeast. You can add some golden syrup and just let it sit for about 5 minutes. And then add your 100 grams of flour and half of the oil mixture. Let it stand, and then add the rest of the flour and give it a good mix until it starts to form a dough. If it's too sticky, you can add a little bit more flour just to bring it together. And then get in with your hands, pop the dough onto a floured surface and knead the dough 10 to 15 times. And then place the dough in an oiled bowl for about an hour in a warm place. So once the dough's risen a bit, you can oil a baking tray and press your dough into the baking tray. You can use some extra flour at this point if it is quite sticky. And then just use your fingertips to mark the surface and then leave for another 20 minutes. Add the rest of the oil mixture and spread evenly on top. Bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown. So you can cut it into squares, you can wrap it tightly in cling film to store it, or in Tupperware, and it'll last for a few days or for about a month in the freezer. So thanks for joining us today, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.